So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how I block my crochet doilies. So in this video we are going to block this doily. So you can see it's not very firm, not in a very good shape here. So we are going to block this in this video. So for blocking we are going to need iron box. So I'm going to use an iron box, and we will need a spray starch solution. So today I'm going to use this easy on double starch solution, which we normally use for ironing our clothes. So this method is very simple. It won't take much time. So it doesn't take any time for your doily to dry up for like a lot of hours. You can get your doily blocked and in a good shape within an hour. So let's get started. So now I have plugged in my iron box and it is having a good heat. So first we are going to do the front side. So now we will press our doily from the inside out so that it will stretch and all the stitches are clearly visible. So we are going to press our doily inside out in all directions like this. So don't be very slow. So make sure you cover all the parts of the doily. So now you can see it is a little better on the front side from before. It doesn't have any wrinkles on the top and it's equally stretched out on all the sides. So the front portion is now done. So then we are going to flip our doily to the other side. That's the back side. Now we are going to apply the starch solution only on this back side, because if we spray it on the front, these threads, there will be fine threads on these acrylic yarns, they will get deformed and we won't be able to see the stitches clearly. So we are going to spray the starch only on the back side of our doily. So here's our starch solution. So don't hold it very near to your doily or else it will get very wet. So hold it a little away from your doily and press and spray evenly on all the sides. Now I have sprayed the starch. Now we are going to press it in the same way as soon as we spray the starch. So we are going to iron the doily from inside out in all the directions like we did for the front part. So we are going to iron it out firmly in all the directions. Not too slow but a little quick. So like this, gently press the iron box in all the directions for quite some time. So now you can see I have pressed this back part. Now we are going to flip our doily again and we'll press the front part one more time the same way. So that's it, we have ironed. Now when you press with your fingers it will be a little wet because of the starch solution. So for that I'm going to place my doily on a flat surface in a dry place for around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then it will become dry. So here I have dried up my doily for about an hour. Now it is dry and crispy. So you can see it is very flat on the sides. So our doily has been blocked now. So it's a very simple method. It won't take you much time. So do try it with your doilies. So this video is especially for doilies made up with acrylic yarns. For cotton doilies, you can also, like mercerized cotton, you can spray the starch directly on the front surface and press it with the iron box. But for acrylic, do remember to spray the starch only on the back side. So our doily is now blocked. I hope you guys liked this video tutorial. So hit the like button, leave a comment below, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.